Morton County in southwestern Indiana until 7 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Crossville to 6 miles east of Carmite to 10 miles northeast of Ridgeway, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Carmite, Porceville, New Harmony, Crossville, Blairsville, Monty, and Phillippstown.
What?
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties:
What?
White, Illinois, and Posey, Indiana.
Phillippstown?
Severe
Phillippstown. What is this, the fucking French? Sorry.